Who doesn't love France? Delicious pastries, charming people, and the beach. It's the perfect summer escape. If you're dreaming of swimming in clear blue water and getting a tan, you to see these French beaches. From the sunny south of France to the relaxed Normandy coast, we're exploring the best beaches France has to offer. Grab your sunscreen and sun hat. First up is Palombagia Beach in Corsica. Imagine clear water and soft white sand, like walking on a cloud. This place is full of beautiful rocks and shells. Spend hours relaxing, soaking up the sun, and feeling like you're in a movie. Trust me. Next, we're going to Côte des Basques in Biarritz, a stunning place for surfers. This beach is renowned for its incredible waves and breathtaking views. Imagine riding awesome waves with the French coast behind you. The thrill of catching that perfect wave is unmatched. Even if you're not a surfer, this beach is still amazing. You can soak up the sun and enjoy the vibrant atmosphere. Relax on the sand, watch people, and enjoy the Biarritz atmosphere. The beach is perfect for a leisurely day out. The town is super cute, with cafes and shops to explore. Stroll through the charming streets and discover hidden gems. It's the perfect place to get a coffee and pretend you're a French movie star. Enjoy a delicious pastry while people watching. If you want a taste of the good life, Pampelonne Beach in Saint-Tropez is the place for you. This iconic beach is renowned for its luxurious vibe and stunning scenery. This beach is all about glamour, from high-end beach clubs to elegant setups with plush chairs and umbrellas. Every detail screams sophistication. Imagine relaxing on a beach chair, sipping a drink, and maybe even seeing a famous person. Celebrities often flock here, adding to the allure and excitement. It's the best spot to see and be seen. The social scene is vibrant with fashionable people mingling and enjoying the sun. The water is beautiful, and the atmosphere is just special. The crystal clear water invites you for a swim, and the sunsets are simply breathtaking. Pack your cutest swimsuit and biggest sunglasses for this one. Whether you're sunbathing or socializing, you'll want to look your best at Pampelonne Beach. Ile de Ré beaches, La Rochelle, relax and eat oysters. Let's go to the Ile de Ré, a small island near La Rochelle. Imagine a cute little island with charming towns, vineyards, and peaceful beaches. Rent bikes, swim in clear water, or relax on the sand and read a book. The seafood here is especially the oysters. I could eat so many oysters. Plage de la Côte des Dunes, Normandy history and beach time. Next, we're going to Normandy, famous for its beautiful coast and history. Côte des Dunes Beach is great for long walks, where you can just think. This beach is also near important World War II sites, like the D-Day landing beaches. It's a mix of beauty and history, which is what France is all about. Sablettes Beach, Menton hidden treasure. Sablettes Beach in Menton is a hidden gem. Nestled in the picturesque town of Menton, this beach offers a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of more crowded destinations. The water here is a beautiful shade of turquoise that makes you want to jump right in. It's perfect for swimming, snorkeling, or just floating around and soaking up the sun. The beach is surrounded by colorful houses and plants, making it really pretty. Spend the day swimming, sunbathing, or exploring the charming streets of Menton. And don't forget to treat yourself to some delicious ice cream from a nearby shop. The local flavors are a must-try and perfect for cooling down on a hot day. It's the perfect place to escape the crowds and enjoy the French Riviera. Whether you're looking for relaxation or a bit of adventure, Sablettes Beach has something for everyone. Hossegor Beach in Lens is a surfer's dream. People come from all over to surf here. Unless you're a pro surfer, it's best to watch from the beach. It's a relaxed atmosphere, and you can chill on the beach, watch the surfers, and eat at beachside restaurants. It's a great place to experience French surf culture. Calanque d'Envaux, near Marseille, is a special kind of beach. To get there, you have to hike down a steep path. This beach is a hidden cove, surrounded by tall cliffs and incredibly blue water. It's so private and quiet, it's like your own little paradise. Pack snacks and water because you'll want to stay all day. Swim, sunbathe, and enjoy nature. La Baule Beach in Loire-Atlantique is huge, stretching for 9 kilometers. There's lots of room for everyone, families, couples, friends. This place has everything: swimming, sunbathing, kite surfing, building sandcastles. The town of La Baule is very charming, with shops, restaurants, and casinos. Whether you want to relax or have fun, this beach is perfect. Deauville Beach in Normandy is super stylish. Think colorful umbrellas, striped beach tents, and famous beach cabins. It's the perfect place to feel like a fashion icon. Walk along the famous boardwalk, eat lunch at a beachfront restaurant, or relax on the sand. Enjoy the fancy atmosphere. And there you have it, the top 10 beaches in France. I'm already planning my next trip. Which one was your favorite? Tell me in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe for more travel videos and fashion tips. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss a new video. See you next time, bye.